Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. If your family loves taco night, then you need to adult it up with this seasoning from Riega Foods. This taco seasoning is rich in flavor and really luxurious. You can really taste all of the seasonings coming through. You can see up close that it is finely ground and really blends in well with whatever recipe you opt to use it in. The seasonings in the container are completely organic and you get nothing in the container except the seasonings. There are no chemicals or added preservatives, and you can really taste that in every bite. I use the seasoning in our taco night. We added it into our rice. We even added it into a taco soup, and it had that great chili flavor coming through, so you could use this in a chili as well. It really has a Tex-Mex flavor, so you have that really heightened chili flavor, but then you have the cumin and the oregano and the onion. It's just so delicious. I love that as soon as you open the container, you can smell taco night coming right into your house. Rather than go with the packets that come with the taco kit, if your family is serious about tacos, then you need to go with a great seasoning like this one from Riega Foods. The seasoning will add such flavor to your dishes, and as soon as your family walks in the door, they will be fully ready for taco night. And that's my point of view.